Good morning, students. Today we will solve the problems on quadratic equation. Let's start. Solve the equation root over 2x square minus 9x plus 25 minus root over 2x square minus 9x plus 13 equal to 2. Very important type question. This 25 is reduced in this form 13 plus 12. Now let let 2x square minus 9x plus 13 equal to a square. This implies root over a square plus 12 minus a equal to 2 implies root over a square plus 12 equal to a plus 2. Squaring both sides, a square plus 12 equal to a square plus 4x plus 4, sorry, a square plus 4a plus 4. A square 12 minus 4 equal to 4a implies 4a equal to 8 implies a equal to 8 by 4, that's equal to 2. Now putting this implies a square equal to 4. Putting the value of a square. This implies 2x square 9x plus 13 equal to 4. This implies 2x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. This implies 2x x minus 3 minus 3 x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x minus 3 2x minus 3 equal to 0 if the product of two factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. Therefore, x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3 or x equal to 3 by 2. Next, at the end write down the answer. Therefore, the solution set for x equal to 3 by 2 comma 3. This is the answer. Next, question number 28. Question number 28. From the quadratic equation whose one root is 3 root 5 and the sum of the roots is 6. Answer. Since one root of the quadratic equation equals to 3 minus root 5 and the sum of the roots equal to 6. Therefore, other root of the quadratic equation equal to 6 minus 3 plus root 5 equal to 3 plus root 5. Therefore, the sum of the roots is equal to 3 minus root 5 plus 3 plus root 5, that's equal to 6, and the product of the roots equal to 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5, that's equal to 3 square minus root 5 square, that's equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Answer. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Implies is x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Next question, number 34. In this question, we have to solve the equation. Question number 34. Solve the equation and give answer up to 2 decimal place. X square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. X square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0, not plus 10. This equation we have to solve correct to 2 decimal place. By using formula, this is identical to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 10. Therefore, x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. This is the formula. This equal to minus b, that means 5, plus minus root over b square 25 minus 4ac, that is 4 into a into c by 2 into 1, that's equal to 5 plus minus root over 25 plus 40 by 2. This equal to 5 plus minus root over 65 by 2. Now we have to see the table, square root table 65. From table, from square root table, root over 65 equal to 8.062. 062 from square root table, square root equal to this, putting 5 plus 8.062 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 5 plus 8.062 by 2, that's equal to 13.062 by 2, that's equal to 6.531, and or x equal to 5 minus 8.062 by 2 equal to minus 3.062 by 2, that's equal to minus 1.531. Next, answer therefore the value of x correct to 2 decimal places are minus 1.53, comma 6.53. The values of x correct to 2 decimal places equal to are this. This is the answer for the question. Next, exercise 7. Exercise 7, question number 8. Read the question carefully. A train travels 200 kilometers at uniform speed. If the speed had been 10 kilometers per hour less, the journey will have taken 40 minutes more. Find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train equal to x kilometer per hour. Therefore, time taken to travel 200 kilometers at the speed 200 kilometers equal to distance by speed equal to 200 by x hours. This is the time taken to travel 200 kilometers. Now, the speed of the train equal to x minus 10 kilometers per hour. Therefore, time taken to travel 200 kilometers equal to 200 by x minus 10 hour. Now speed is reduced since it will take more time. By the question, equal to, it will take how much more? 40 minutes more. This equal to 40 minutes. That means 40 by 60 hours. 40 minutes means 40 by 60 hours. Implies is 200 1 by x minus 10 minus 1 by x equal to 2 by 3, implies is x into x minus 10, x minus x plus 10 equal to 2 by 3 into 200 This implies x square minus 10x equal to 3000. This is the equation. Now we have to reduce this. X square minus 60 x minus plus 50x, one step more. X square minus 10x minus 3000 equal to 0. Now we have to reduce this. 60 into 50. 60 into 50, that will be 3000. 60 minus 50 equal to 10. X square 60x 50x 3000 equal to x minus 60 plus 50 x minus 60 implies x minus 60 into x plus 50 equal to 0. X plus 50 not equal to 0. Speed cannot be negative, therefore x minus 60 equal to 0 implies x equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Write down the answer at the end. Answer. Therefore, the speed of the train equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Very important type question. Speed problem. One speed problem is done. Next, question number 35. Next, come to question number 35. In this question, first time read the question carefully. A trader bought a number of articles for rupees 1200. 10 were damaged and he sold the rest at rupees 2 more than what he paid for it, getting a profit of rupees 60 on the whole transaction, taking the number of articles he bought as from an equation and solve it. Let since the number of articles the trader bought for rupees for rupees 1200 is equal to X. Therefore, the CP of each article equal to rupees 1200 by X. Since 10 articles were damaged, 10 articles were damaged, 10 articles were damaged. Therefore, the number of good articles present equal to X minus 10. What is the cost? And sold the rest 2 rupees more. Therefore, the SP of each article equal to rupees 1200 by X plus 2. This is the selling price of each article. Therefore, total SP of X minus 10 articles equal to rupees 1200 by X plus 2 into